Salut tout le monde! Hello everyone! My name is Steven and welcome to my channel Tech Quebec. First of all, let's be clear. I really love technology, I love science, and I love video games in all shapes and forms. You know, just don't expect to see cupcakes recipes in here unless technology is somehow involved. I want this channel to be a dedicated hub for technology, enterprise IT, computers, and video games enthusiasts. You can expect to see unboxings, hands-ons, and reviews, but also build logs, and tutorials, and video game chasing vlogs once in a while. Évidemment, vous pourrez vous attendre à quelques vidéos en français à l'occasion. So feel free to stay around, make yourself at home, and enjoy the videos. We will have a really good time ahead of us, so please subscribe to the channel. I'm Steven for Tech Quebec. À la prochaine. See you in the next video.